Good morning. Okay. If you ask me what I'm driving today, it's very simple. 488 Spider. I've been driving this car not so much, but I've worked with this car a lot. So actually this is probably the first time that I have the car for myself. What I find about this car is its ability to adapt to everything. From the city, it can be quiet, you can lift the suspension. It's beautiful. It's Spider. It's fast. It's good fast. It's like almost not manageable fast because it got rear-wheel drive, obviously. And boy, I love it. I like this blue color it's got with a good interior. It's kind of a gentleman choice. So that's not me. But the engine is no joke, and it's not gentle. So I'm gonna put it in race because that's where it belongs. And I feel like a rich boy, you know, that's just got daddy's money and he went to the Costa Smeralda, bought a beautiful villa, and he rented the Ferrari because daddy can, so I can. Now I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna drive it. The 488 with the Huracan Performante, the 4-wheel drive with this 2-wheel drive, it's really hard to compare them because they got different mechanics, right?
Okay, let me explain this in a simple way. What I'm trying to say here is that compared to its rival, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, which you'll be able to see in this channel, the acceleration of the 488 feels more violent since all the power comes from the rear, whereas the Performante has a more balanced acceleration due to its 4-wheel drive system.
That's the difference. There's something different about this car.
So after enjoying the car in a convertible mode, I decided to do a quick stop in a small town called San Pantaleo and decided to put the roof back on. After making sense of the reverse gear, I can finally enjoy the drive in the coupe version of the 488 in these very fast flowing Sardinian roads. The 488 in the end is the supercar that represents Ferrari of modern days till today. Its design has been around for more than a decade if we take into account the 458. The extra money spent for the convertible version to me feels like having two Ferraris, as the look of both modes is outstanding, whereas the performance stands 90% the same, which is great. Today, the 488 is one of the most sold Ferraris. It's the car that pops into mind when people say Ferrari challenge, even in gaming. The new turbocharged V8 4-liter engine with 670 brake horsepower is potent. It provides full entertainment in the city, highways, mountain, coast, racetrack, although it doesn't need that extra attention to the rear-wheel drive factor in combination with the turbocharge. But from my standpoint, this car is an outstanding island car and is the current benchmark of Ferrari's next generation cars.